discretion advised.
Welcome to the Cap Guy Show, starring Cap Guy and me, JT, your friendly neighborhood puppy puppet. We need you to subscribe to the channel, or Cap Guy's gonna hunt you down. He'll do it. He'll do it too. You better subscribe. Better do it now. Boy, I didn't know what to expect when Cap Guy asked me to watch his dog while he went to the Jello wrestling finals over there in OKC. But they're serious about those subscriptions, so if you're not subscribed to the Cap Guy, we're going to put a link right up here so you can go over there and do it. But gotta be careful. If you ever meet him in person, don't look him dead in the eye. He don't like that. So anyway, let's get on with the show. Do a quick little mail call here. I got something from Value Hunter. It says Val Hunter. Wouldn't that be weird if that's his real name? Like Val Kilmer? Except Val Hunter? Oh well, probably not. And I ordered a book. Off eBay, and I got a box from Amazon. And that ticks me off. I do not like getting Amazon. I don't mind if the Amazon box has been reused, but when I get something from Amazon and I didn't order it off Amazon, yeah, that's annoying. Probably means it was drop shipped, which also means I paid too much. Not a lick, not a bit, not a drip, not a drop of padding. Just throw it in the box and let it go. Wouldn't you know it, I get my only phone call of the day. Must be important. Let me go see. That was Value Hunter on the phone. He just wanted to be sure before I did any crappy YouTube reviews on his merchandise that I remembered that he has my real name and address. So we're going to keep that in mind when we open up this package. But first, I want to show you we got this book here. It's on casting brass, brand new. I hear that brass is one of the harder metals to cast, so I'm interested in reading about that. And then, like I said, we got this 12-ounce package for Geely from Val, and we're going to open it up and see what's in this. Well, after 3 months, I finally got the mini micro SD card for the Samsung, so maybe we'll have a little bit better picture quality here for too long. Got this package open. I'm going to get it poured out. Well, what are you hoping for, Copperhead? Gold bar? I don't think I quite paid enough for a gold bar. Let's see what's in this sucker. I saved the envelope. I like to reuse envelopes. This one's going to be a little bit tougher to reuse than most. But I don't know. If nothing else, I'll use it as padding for something else. See, we got United States Mint Set 1967. We got the United States Special Mint Set. And no year. I don't remember what year I bought. I imagine it's 68 or 66 or God knows. I'll try to get them open in a minute. It's a silver certificate. It's a Star Note silver certificate in a holder. It says, thanks, Man Mountain Link. Ha! Look at that. That's what I wanted more than a stupid dollar was the damn sticker. Get back in there, dollar. That don't mean I don't want the dollar. Get back in there, dollar. But I did want the sticker. So I got a Value Hunter sticker. So, hey, look at that.
Nice.
Got one to add to my collection now. I think I've come up with a place to put them. I'm going to put them in my eBay shed. That way I know they'll always be with me because I always had the shed. don't know why I'm moving it around. Maybe I should do the hand wave like Vanna. Did I? No. Okay, probably not. Put that down there. Try not to spin that. 1964 U.S. Mint set uncirculated coins. Do a little bit of advertising for eBay here. And of course, every coin is facing a different direction. I can't see the camera, so, or I can barely see the camera. I just like the way those old silver coins look. You can see the luster on that or not. But yeah, nice. Wish I knew more about coins. Is there another? There's something else in there too. I guess the red is Denver and the blue is Philly. Come here, blue. 1964 uncirculated mint set, Philadelphia Mint. Why do the nickels look so weird? Somebody there tell me? I bet one of y'all knows. I bought these because he was selling them too cheap. I ain't gonna lie to you about it. I was like, oh man, that's too cheap. And then we got this. Ooh. US $1, 1971, my birth year. 40% silver. MS65. Which I wouldn't know an MS65 from a WD-40. Well, I guess I should show it to the camera instead of me looking at it, huh? You see anything except reflection? Did that help or hurt? Probably hurt. Whoop. Let's see, we were looking at the Eisenhower. 1971. My birth year. MS65. Put 40, marked it out. 25 on this side. I wonder if he does that intentionally. I would absolutely do that intentionally. I'd mark up every one of my coin flips. This was a $100 coin. Now it's $10. I imagine that is a tactic used throughout the retail industry. If you haven't went to Value Hunter's channel, well, if you go there and I'm there, you should go do something else. But if I'm not there, you should go and buy up this stuff because it's some pretty good stuff. I think I have the light on the wrong side for this to be effective. That should be somewhat better, huh? To recap, we have a silver certificate star note.
Nice.
We have a value hunter.
Nice.
We have a 1971, my birth year, Eisenhower dollar in mint state 65 condition according to this piece of cardboard.
Nice.
We have a 1922 piece dollar.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
That just looks in awesome condition. I don't know if awesome is a coin grade or not, but if it isn't, it should be. Remember, you can find all this stuff over at Value Hunter's channel. He has an auction, I believe, weekly. Yes, weekly. I know it's hard to believe he can find enough stuff to have an auction every week, but somehow he manages to do it. I'm not big on auctions. If I'm having to outbid somebody, I've already paid too much. But I do like a good buy it now, and I do love a good grab bag. His grab bag seems to be something special. This says 1 peco. That must be from Pecos, Texas. Probably a token of some sort. It's got an eagle on it, and got some old scribble scrabble. Yeah. It says 1943 Peco 720 Mexico silver ASW, and then a bunch of numbers. I don't know what any of that means, except for that word right there, silver. I know what that means. What we got here? Oh, got some more of that funny money. I think this says El Dorado, Casa Bonito. Gosh, I can't read all that. 1932. Apparently it's not 1932. And it's got some bald-haired feller on the right there. It says Hildalgo. That's that movie about the horse. That must have been the guy that owns that horse, Hildalgo. That's that guy that owns that horse. That's what that is. See there? Yeah, Hildalgo. That's that horse dude. And again, silver. It's a silver Hildalgo.
Nice. Nice.
ASW ... 64 something. We'll get that on the wire wheel and that'll clean right up. We got these two left, and I tell you the truth about it, I haven't been able to get into them. I need something a little bit finer than my fumble fingers. So while I find that, I'm going to let y'all take a break. Out damn spot. Upside down and backwards. Of course it is. Y'all see that? United States Special Mint Set. 1966. I'm assuming blue means Philadelphia. Or maybe it means Democratic. You think it means Democratic, Tabby? Tabby said blue means Democratic. So these must be the Republican coins. No, they're blue too. United States Mint Set. Packaged by the U.S. Mint. You want to see my coins? That quarter looks almost chrome. The nickel looks gold. That nickel has, what do they call that, toning? Yeah, we'll crack this sucker open and clean that up. Boy, the back of that $50 looks nice, don't it? I am very happy with my purchases. And if you get a chance and have a couple of bucks to spare, go see Value Hunter. And I would like to apologize once again. I put that poor boy through hell. I paid wrong 2-3 separate ways. And he had to refund the money each time so that I could pay the correct way. So wait for them to send you an invoice. There's my words of wisdom. Wait for the invoice. Hell, I wanted to give him his money before he backed out. And I wouldn't have sold the stuff for this price. You know me, I'm cheap. If I want to buy it, it's going to be a bargain. So there we go. We got the horse movie coin, and we got the car wash token from Pecos, Texas. We got the peace dollar, the Ike dollar, the Star Note silver certificate, which I thought I'd never even see, much less own. We got the Denver mint set. And we got the Philadelphia mint set. We got a Value Hunter channel sticker to add to our collection. And I guess I should have left those out, but I sure ain't taking them back out just for this little bit of video. So you're just going to have to imagine what's in there. Well, I sure do appreciate you watching my video. And if y'all haven't already, y'all go check out Value Hunter and check out his auctions. Just don't bid against me. And if you haven't, go check out TheCapGuy. Subscribe to him. He's getting desperate for subscribers. He needs friends, I think. So be sure to do those two things. And we will see you next time. Man Mountain Link out.
Man Mountain Link has once again outdone himself.
Check it out. Got the channel sticker review. Got the new edition Value Hunter. Old Joyce swap. Got Kevin Rose. Shit happens to Frank. Got my friend Lonnie over at Garage Flips. Couldn't pick me out of a police lineup. There's Sean over at Clayton County History Hounds. He's still digging in the dirt, last I heard. Appreciate you watching.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.